My name is Benjamin Shine. I'm an artist and designer. Fashion was the first place that I discovered fabric and what could be done with it, how it could be used to sculpt on the body. And I began to look at the idea of painting with fabric and taking that idea of sculpting on the body away from the body as standalone artworks. Working with John, essentially was a dream come true. I had studied fashion design a long time ago, and so I had known of John's work and admired what he'd done for years. He was very adamant that he wanted to work with me to extend the feel of what I do in these pieces as some almost sculptural, conceptual piece for the body, which was really exciting. Seeing my work, which had come from fashion and gone on to do its own thing and then come back, was really the icing on the cake. There were some challenges involved in trying to translate this concept for something that was three-dimensional on the body. And the key point that we really got excited about was not only the idea of the jacket lining escaping away from the piece and forming a sort of smoke-like suspension around the body. It was how to achieve that look so that the piece got read as smoke and as something that couldn't be identified as tulle. That was really an important factor. I think art and fashion have a history of sort of being combined together. They're two faces of the same coin. The fashion industry works at such a fast pace that often in one season the designers can't quite get to the best and most pure form of what they're trying to achieve. And working with an artist who may be working in a similar kind of visual field, they can collaborate and then create something that's really, really specialist.